Make a line. Once again, I'm in Walmart, park a lot, just swerving. I ain't never going nowhere. Sitting back, drinking it, telling you how I want it. Yeah, you know I ain't never going nowhere. All I wanna do is sit on the corner, smoking that whack. You know I smoke good each and every day. Sitting back with a bowl of potato salad. Yeah, yeah, I ain't going nowhere. All I do is sit on the corner, looking at the backboard rolling by with the blue lights on them. They ain't going nowhere. They making a U-turn and coming back. All I wanna do is ask them, can I ride with them? Yeah, but I ain't going to the jail cells. Yeah, this ain't how you want it. Smoking that way. I ain't never going nowhere. All I wanna do is sit on the corner, smoking me a fat one, drinking me a Coke for the fire, each and every day, like my women on ice. Yeah, when it get cold outside, I don't wanna skin a turkey. Yeah, I'm a young skinny black man. I can't do it like that. Yeah, eat me some black eyed peas and cornbread in the summertime. Yeah, you say how you want it. Tell me how you want it. I can give it to you. Yeah, how you like it. Yeah. Yeah, it's your make a line. Coming again. I ain't never going nowhere. I told y'all, trying to set back up on it with the dreams in my head. China Black, I don't know where she at. She run around with one titty out. Told y'all like that.
Tryna black up in this thing. I don't play no fucking games to let my marker hang. And I know for a fact you ain't going nowhere, so stop talking that smack like that. Yeah.